It's the video of the ZZR600. So then on behalf of one of my customers, as in the eBay listing, it's done 32,000 miles, call it nearly 33,000 miles. Starts and runs, although it is on an external fuel tank at the minute, which isn't included in the auction. That's because, as said in the listing, the fuel tank is knackered really. The inside's all rusted up. It's got a nice dent there. But the bike runs absolutely brilliant. Front calipers are removed as they were binding. I have got them, they're in the unit there. They are included in the auction. Just another quick walk around there with you. 2 keys and logbook included. Here are the calipers. Both of them are binding. I mean, he did say he tried to sort them out himself, but he couldn't get them out. So it needs full strip down, resealing, possibly new pistons, new pads, and he's also lost 1 bolt from each. But maybe you can pick another setup off eBay. Quite cheap for this bike, along with a fuel tank. Everything else seems alright. Like I said, it's been stood for a long while. I put a battery on it and I cleaned the carbs out. And there you go. Customer doesn't want to carry on with it. He's just gone and bought himself a new bike, so he's no longer got any need for this. Okay, cheers, bye bye.